Sunday in Banana Grove. Easter Sunday in Banana Grove was always special. From early in the morning, the smell of freshly baked bun and cheese filled the air. Families dressed in their Sunday best for church and colorful kites soared high above the hills. 9-year-old Javon and his little sister Shanice were excited, not just because of the delicious food, but because after church, the whole community would gather at Grandma Pearl's house for the big Easter Sunday dinner. "I can already taste the bun and cheese," Javon grinned as he straightened his white shirt. "And the fried fish our festival?" Shanice giggled, twirling in her blue dress. The little wooden church on the hill was packed. The choir sang joyful hymns, and Pastor Henry spoke about the meaning of Easter: Jesus, love, sacrifice, and togetherness. Shanice sat beside Grandma Pearl, listening carefully, but Javon's mind kept drifting to the Easter feast waiting at home. When the service ended, everyone gathered outside, chatting and wishing each other Happy Easter before heading home. But when they reached Grandma Pearl's house, something was wrong. Grandma Pearl stood on the veranda looking distressed. "Me no know what happened. Me can't understand how I really are going right here so," she said, shaking her head. "Me did cook the fish, the rice and peas, the callaloo, but when me come in the kitchen, the food gone." Javon's eyes widened. "Gone? But who could I take the food?" Uncle Desmond rubbed his chin. "But it's silly Teddy walking fast up the track with a big pan in him and Shanice gasped. "Una think Teddy thief the food?" Determined to solve the mystery, Javon and Shanice ran toward the banana walk where Teddy lived. When they reached, they found Teddy sitting under a tree looking guilty with a big pot in front of him. Javon put his hands on his hips. "Teddy, what you do with Grandma Pearl food?" Teddy's face turned red. "Me, you know, say, if you tell you the truth, me never mean for thief it. Me see the food on the table and think my granny left it out there for me carry it come." Shanice frowned. "So, hold on, you just take it?" Teddy nodded. "My granny know well. I wanna have much food home for Easter. Me never did know what to do. Me never did want to do anything wrong." Javon and Shanice exchanged a look. Teddy wasn't being greedy. He was just trying to help his family. Instead of scolding Teddy, they helped him carry the food back. When they explained everything, Grandma Pearl smiled. "Well, Teddy," she said kindly, "next time you must ask. But your granny not have to worry. Everybody in Banana Grove is family, and we always share." She called Miss Carmen, who packed a big plate of food for Teddy's grandmother. Then the whole community sat down under the big almond tree to enjoy a delicious Easter dinner. Escovitch fish, rice and peas, fried plantain, steamed callaloo, and plenty of bun and cheese. Grandma Pearl smiled. Easter is not just about the food. It's about love. It's about Jesus. It's about forgiveness and making sure everybody has something to eat. Teddy grinned. "Next year, Mega El cook. Nah carry away the food, I swear." Everyone laughed, and that Easter in Banana Grove became one of the most unforgettable ones yet.